AROSE is a nonprofit that we started to differentiate ourselves from the competition. With 9,000 members, and we're growing at 250 new additional members a month, our buying power and our voice is getting louder, and that allows us benefits to our members in the forms of financial savings. We pass along those savings on to our members, exclusively to our members. We made arrangements with energy power plants that when we sell them biofuel, they make green electricity. We buy back the electricity again to distribute it to our members. This was all done through 9,000 members strong, and our partners see a benefit because an environmental business is a more financially stable business, a more successful business, has a long-term vision for the planet as well as for their business, and they're going to be around longer. As well as on the consumer end, as the consumers look for organic products and look for environmental companies, they're turning to our members to do their part, and it kind of closes the loop on the whole program. It's a win-win for everyone.
AROSE is a nonprofit organization that brings together restaurants and vendors like Smarter Fuel who do sustainable things with waste products. So a restaurant that has cooking oil that could give it to somebody who's going to feed it to a chicken will instead be pointed by AROSE to a company like Smarter Fuel, who will take it and displace petroleum with the oil rather than feeding it to a chicken and putting it back in the food chain. Well, a customer will call, usually somebody either with a new restaurant or someone who's looking for another cooking oil company for someone to collect their cooking oil. We'll send them out containers, either barrels or dumpsters, and they'll take all of their frying oil and pour it into the containers. We then have trucks that come out on an automatic schedule and pump out the drums or the dumpsters as needed, and the oil comes back here. It's then screened, and the big food particles are removed, the water is separated from it, and then it goes through a filtering process from beginning to end where all of the solids and all of the water is removed down to a level where it's acceptable for usage as fuel. And from there then we have end users who will use it either in commercial trucks or industrial heating applications for making steam or powering a tractor trailer.
I'm originally from the restaurant business. I'm a restaurant owner. I had that background of 10 years in the restaurant business. I got into this business as a hobby, converting cooking oil into fuel to run one of my delivery trucks. And we ended up realizing if a small restaurant can make a difference, then there must be other like-minded parties, and there must be a market for this. That was June of '05. As of today, 4 years later, with a partnership with Smarter Fuels, we have over 9,000 restaurants in 7 states that we collect used cooking oil from. The difference between us and the competition is we are the largest company collecting used cooking oil exclusively for biofuel.
The diesel engine was originally designed to run on peanut oil. So the engine can be modified then to burn either diesel fuel or recycled vegetable oil once the water's been taken out of it and the solids have been taken out of it. So that's diesel fuel replacement